Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is Saturday, time to go hang out with the hubs, just regular stuff. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So let us go into Miss MMXW. So there's 4 shades: Pink, Mystic, Temptation, Earthly Desire, and Forbidden Fruit. So what shade? Okay, I'm not going to this shade first. I don't know if this is gonna do. Actually no, let's go into this pinky shade first. This is what Y214, and then back to this. I need to try to like cover this up. And just keep it blending nicely. You're not gonna have any issues, to be honest, like blending parts, because and those shades are usually not very difficult to blend, and her shadows are not difficult to blend. So okay, actually no, I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna put this like right here. This look is gonna be so easy and so quick. Okay, now let us go into, I guess, this shade right here. Maybe no, let's go this shade and then use the other one to kind of buff it up. So this is the E3 from ColorPop. And then let's go into that 506, and then we're gonna go into this shade and just kind of buff it up. Like right here. This look is pretty simple, but it's fine. And then back to this shade and just kind of tap it here. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I know, very simple, very muted. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and time to talk about this foundation. So it is the Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation for your best healthy looking skin. So let's see. Let us see. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. primer. I like when I get something, I'm using it like every day. And when I say every day, I don't mean every day, because I don't wear makeup every day, but this is so good, so tacky. Okay, let's go with this. My shade is 9 Neutral, I think. I feel like now it's a little bit weird because ooh, this might be light, because I feel like I'm in between shades, you know, because it's winter. Oh, so it's like loose, so it needs this. Nice. So it has like a double cover. So I can really shake this. And it does have a pump, which is great. If it works. Oh, don't dirty my clothes. I think it's fine. This is not medium coverage. I can already tell, girl. Where did you get medium coverage from? Like it just It is quite dewy, but look at this. There's no cover. Did you get a concealer from Huda? I don't know, maybe this was light. Maybe it's a little light. And this, see, it's just like this foundation has like very little coverage, and then this is so like full coverage. I don't know. So let this sit here and marinate. And I'm gonna use my NARS bronzer. This is pretty. So this is Laguna 4. Yep, I love this. You know, give the little cheekbone some kind of definition. Donesies is the cover for this. You can stay here because you're gonna be another user. And let us blend this concealer. This will work. This is what? 405 brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I keep wanting to try her concealer, but I'm just so worried to buy it from online. I feel like this concealer is giving me more coverage than this foundation is giving. So it's like under the eye is gonna be a full bit, and then we're gonna have a mess for foundation. Give me this again, give me this. Okay. Do I have a blush? I do have blushes. I just don't have the liquid blush. I don't know. Oh, so this is from Rare Beauty, and this is Nearly Rose Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush. So let me see if I have a brush. Let's try this. This is from Ulta. It's a bronzer brush, but I'm trying to get like enough of a shade, but I don't want too much. Putting that on my finger is like gonna give me more of what I need, maybe. Or maybe too much, but you know what? It's good. I'm gonna blend this to go in my concealer, kind of like, not my concealer, my blush, my thingy. And then I think I'm gonna blend this again, like right here. I just go with my brush from Charlotte Tilbury, my blush, my powder. Just something light, nothing crazy, because that's not what I'm gonna use to actually set my makeup. And then we're gonna go into Huda Beauty Blondie. I also need to find my other powder. And let us set the rest of the face. Let's use this. This is from Sephora, which I like. Micro Smooth Powder. Okay, we're gonna use this brush from Bare Minerals. It is Supreme Finisher. This is actually from like a holiday collection. So I'm pretty sure you can find this brush, but you might be able to find something like maybe similar from them if you like this brush. But I think I got it from Marshalls, like when they kind of finish, because this, like, they'll send this stuff to places like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, because that was, you know, like it was the collection for that day, or for that year, sorry. So yep. So this is from Essence, and it's just a nude liner. You know what's crazy? So this liner is from Essence. I think I paid $1.99 for this. And I also have one from Patrick Ta, which is literally trash. Like, I don't like it at all, at all, at all. It breaks. It doesn't really, like, I have to really go in like really hard for it to like pick up. And this is so good for $1.99. Like, I was like, maybe I need a backup. Okay, so let's go in with, I think I'm gonna just do this shade, like, and use it to buff this. And then I'm just gonna bring this down. Let us line the lip. I'm gonna line my lip with Night Moth from MAC. Now we're gonna use this lipstick. It's Omi 107 from Pat McGrath. So let's use this brush, and I'm gonna use my House Labs cleanser. And I know, like, sometimes I don't really mention my shade a lot, because I'm like, a lot of us have a different complexion. But if you care, this is Dip Level 10, which looks like so. Because bronzer, you just get like a couple shades darker than you. Like, I like mine a little bit darker, so I go like a little bit darker, but you don't have to do that. Because the darker you go, the harder it's gonna be for you to blend, you know? And then for my powder, for my blush, I'm gonna use this blush from MAC. It is Flirting with Danger. It looks like so. I feel like this blush might be a little bit too dark for me, but and a little highlighter, just a little. I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty highlighter, and this one is in Flaunt, and I'm just gonna put it right here. So yeah, so that's it for this look. Everything looks really, really nice and soft, and, you know, nothing too crazy. Let's hide this bra strap. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.